Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Karina. Toast is the staple in many kitchens, especially in cafes or bakeries. Whether it's for breakfast or part of a meal, a good toaster makes all difference. Today, I'm introducing our electric conveyor toaster. Let's keep watching. This toaster is super easy to use. First, there's a green indicator light that shows when the toasting is done. When the light on, the bread is ready. This feature is used for during peak times, ensuring every slice is toasted evenly. It also has a step button adjusting step of chain network. Plus, there's 4 programs: off, bread, bus, and standby. The bread button is for thicker sides, like fresh bread or whole wheat, which need higher temperatures and longer toasting time. The bounce button is for softer, smaller buns, which needs lower temperatures. The standby buttons put the toasters in low power mode when not in use, saving energy while keeping ready for use. Now, you might be wondering what's the capacity of the toaster. Well, it can toast 300 to 315 slices per hour, making it perfect for busy kitchens where you need to toast a lot of bread quickly and consistently. It's made of durable stainless steel, easy to clean and built to last. Plus, its compact size means it won't take up too much space. If you want to make your kitchens more efficient and get perfect toast every time, this is toast for you. What are you waiting for? Call us now and let's get started. If you have any equipment you'd like to learn more about, please leave a comment below. Beautiful kitchens, designs for success. I'm Karina. I will see you next time. Bye.